Hey, if you want to make your menu sticky but don't have any option to make the menu sticky, then this video is for you. I will show you how you can make your menu sticky very easily, but this will be fully functional. And it's me Robin from Marvin Solutions. If you need any kind of website, you may contact with us, and please make sure you have subscribed our channel. If you subscribe our channel, our WordPress community will grow up more faster. And now I am showing you the method how you can make the menu. Firstly, we should know what is sticky menu actually. Now if you go to bottom on your website, or if you scroll down, can you see the menu is disappearing? But when the menu is sticky, when you will make it sticky, then the menu will be fixed even if you go to the bottom of the site. So we are making this. We are going to use a plugin. So hover on plugin to add new, and then from the search bar search sticky menu. You can see two plugins, but you have to install this one by premium, and all reviews are 5-star, 100k plus active installations, and last updated 2 months ago. This is a really awesome plugin. So click on install now, and now activate, and then in the dashboard you can see a new option, my sticky menu. So from here click on sticky menu setting. You can skip it. So this is our options. From here you can see class or ID. Here you have to put your menu class or ID. So if you go to your website and click on right button of your mouse and then inspect. From now you have to select whole menu area. So if you hover on any class, so check which one cover whole area. So we are trying to this one, this class. You can see hovering the menu area only. Can you see here? Look at here. Just this class covering full area. So this is our class. Copy it, and this is class. That's why you have to use a full stop, and then you have to paste your class name. If this one is ID, if you see here ID like this, then you have to use hash before of the class name, before of the ID name. So this one is class, that's why I am going to use a full stop. And then after putting the class name, you can update, save it. Can you see currently the menu is not fixed, but after setting the class name here, reload the website, and now try to scroll down. Can you see the menu is totally fixed here? So your website menu is now sticky, but we are going to make it more professional and more functional. Go to the dashboard setting options again. Then you can see here a option disable at small screen sizes. What does it mean? Suppose when the screen size is less than 700 pixels, the sticky menu will not work. The menu will not be fixed. Then set the pixel 700 pixel. Before saving it, you can check the current situation. If you look at here, you will see the pixels. You will see my screen size. Here you can see for all size the menu is sticky. The menu is sticky. Can you see? For all size, our menu is fixed. Now if you want after 700 pixel, the stick menu will not work. So click save, reload the website, and now when the screen size will be less than 700 pixel, then the sticky menu will not work. You can see now the screen size is 729. The sticky menu is still there, but when it is less than 700 pixel, then the sticky menu will not work. Now 699 pixel, and reload the site, and now you can see the menu is not sticky now. So this is the thing you can do, and after that you will see more options. Make visible on scroll at home page. That means when you will scroll down, currently you can see the menu is sticky from the top, totally from the top. But if you want after scrolling 200 pixel, the sticky menu will work. Then you can set it 200 pixel, and for all pages it's also 200 pixel. So save it, reload the website, and now we'll see when the screen size is 200 pixel, then the sticky menu will work. Can you see the sticky menu is working after 200 pixel? So this is really awesome. And currently you can see here fade or slide effect. The sticky menu is fading. Can you see? If you want to make it slide, then you can do also. You will get to effect option, reload the website, and now can you see this is sliding from top? So sliding is good, I think. And after that, if you want to set a background color, you can do also. Suppose you want to set this background color. Currently this is like white, so this background color we want on this sticky menu. Save it. You can change the text color also, and reload the website. Can you see the sticky menu color background has been changed? If you want to change the opacity, you can do also. Currently the opacity is 90%, that's why the background is not totally like this. So if you make it 100%, the background will be like this. There will not be any opacity. Reload the website after saving, and now can you see the changes here? So this is the way you can make a very professional and functional sticky menu on your WordPress website. I hope this video helps you, and please subscribe our channel to make and please subscribe our channel to make and please subscribe our channel and stay with RBN Web Solutions. Thank you.